Aloha Basic Fam, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully it's another quick one, short one. Today we are working on
his car.
Your car.
What are we doing?
Your short throw.
Oh yeah, you're putting it in, right?
I'll show you how to put it in, right?
You'll show me how to do it while you do it.
While you do it.
No,
okay,
you do it.
right, we got that.
No, while you do it.
And while you do that, and my car.
No. What?
Okay, but for real, Xrunner short throw install going on right now. Afterwards, we're gonna try and continue off on the last vlog. Check it out. We're gonna try and fix up the belt that I blew up yesterday and change out the last alternator pulley. Thank you, Logan's cousin, Scotty, for the impact gun. Let's get it started. First things first, Logan, we need tools.
I don't have any. What?
Oh, we better go sucky on the hotel street.
I will. Some advice for you guys trying to build your cars. If you're low on money, just go work the corners of Waikiki. One night you can build your whole car.
Wow.
You just have to be flexible.
Buy me a car.
You gotta do it yourself.
You just have to be flexible in all ways possible. You sick bastard.
Hey, you got it that way. I didn't mean it that way. What?
Mr. Overachiever here had to take off his shift knob already. Alright, step 1, get your tool bag. Step 2, remove this. Oh, so this comes out first. You just pop it up.
No, don't break it. It's not coming out.
Yeah, you gotta come out straight, Logan.
I did.
You sure? Okay.
You're the no, don't look in there. It's a mess.
No, I'm telling you, that's how you take it out. Now, oh, that's the worst. Now you gotta clear out all of that because you need to get to the carpet under it, lift up the carpet, and then there's a bolt under that carpet.
Sure now.
I'm very sure.
Don't mind the ticket. That was a while ago.
All of that. What you do? Speeding ticket?
Nope. Green lights.
Next, you want to get a flathead.
A fat head.
And remove the carpet. Now you got these few bolts in there. After you do that, there's these.
And that's long enough?
I think you're an overachiever again.
And I can add this one on too if you want. Make it real long.
Make it real ridiculous.
Oh, broke.
So we have to move the center console because as you can see, there's these little tabs. And the back part locks onto that. So you have to move that in order to move this front dash part to remove the boot to get to the short shifter. That's ridiculous. That's how you do it. Now we need to take these out. And just use your little penis for that one.
I could.
So that was just the boot. Now, for the fun part. Logan, you're gonna wanna hear this one. Majority of the times, from what I've seen or heard, is you can get these out, but to get the short shifter in and to get these back on, you have to sometimes shave around where the bolt is. So, just so that you could get your ratchet and shit in there. Alright, my friend, we're almost there. Excited? Nope. We got the shifter out. Now we're cleaning the old gasket sealer thingy. Then we'll show you how to throw it all in. Should be quick. There's those regular holes, and then there's these holes with like little caps or lips. The short throw block thingy has indents in them, and that goes over those lips.
Ooh, lips, huh?
Now you go back to the shifter, and you bust off that cap.
It's not coming.
It'll come. New hardware. Put that over. Now you gotta tighten.
Where's your Allen's?
But I'm telling you.
For jokes. For real. Just kidding. No, I'm not. I love you.
After you bolt everything back on, you slide it in and you bolt everything back on again.
Hate you.
Just for precautions. Don't throw away your white cap that goes over the ball.
Don't break it.
Short throw in. Now onto the 240 and working on the alternator pulley.
Who's that guy? Oh, what's that?
Huh?
What? You eat what? What?
I eat tacos.
You look so serious.
So delicious.
So what you doing?
Now I'm gonna take out the alternator, change the pulley on that with the impact gun, throw it all back, and then change out the belts. Should be good to go. Wait, if you put your finger in my butt, I might be able to get it out.
Whoa.
Not the middle finger. Changing this out. Gonna gun this thing. We're hanging by a thread here. When I first had my alternator problems, bought a new alternator, but as you can see, Wait, go back down. As you can see, the width of the aftermarket one is bigger. So I already had an aftermarket alternator and shit, or pulley at least. When I put this new alternator in, it shredded my belt. This should fix my problems. Easiest way to pull this bitch out, impact gun. Trust me with this?
Give me Micah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rounded. He got it off.
Sorry, one more time.
He got it off.
Say it again.
Please get me off.
Jeez, it's my bed now.
Come at me, bro. Damn. Oh. Alright, I'm up. I think I'm awake. It's been three straight days. I've been working overnight, go right back to the morning of car stuff all day. Family stuff right after. Take a quick nap and go right back to work overnight. Had to just wake myself up again. Just got off of work. About to shoot it to the east side and meet up with our brother Nick from Cherry Slides. We're gonna put his motor back in today. It's a NotchTop SR20. He and his dad pulled it all apart. He recorded a lot of it, so I hope he puts it up on his channel at some point soon. Nick is really fucking smart, so him and his dad pulled the whole engine apart, got all inside, changed the internals and pistons and all of that stuff, and he just finished putting it back together, so we're gonna put it in his car. Let's go check him out. Alright, so today's Monday morning and it's fucked with traffic, my man, especially on the road that we gotta go on. There's 2 stalled vehicles. Damn, I got pulled over for a speeding ticket. He was cool, but he didn't let me go with it, so I gotta pay for it. Fuck. That's what happens when you don't know your way around the east side. Just speeding everywhere. Whoa.
Alright.
We are here at the Metzger's.
And we're trying to figure out, we're plugging up like a lot of the heater line stuff because we don't need heaters here, right? We're trying to figure out right now what this is for, and I'm pretty sure this is for the heater also, but before I plug it, you know, and overheat my motor, I want to make sure.
So, I was trying to finesse the cop.
I can't believe he gave you a ticket for how much over?
35?
Oh, it's 35?
See?
Oh, see, never mind.
50.
I thought,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
no,
I
yeah.
was gonna say if it was 10 over or something. That.
So as soon as he came up to the window, he was like, "Oh, license and registration. Thanks for reversing up the hill for me, by the way." Boom, right there. I threw the, "Oh yeah, don't worry. My dad used to be a cop, so I understand. I got respect for you guys. Tried to finesse him, but
And it didn't work.
Didn't work, man. He's got to do his job, so it's cool. It's cool."
Yeah.
Remember I cranked it in?
Oh yeah, so to get my car to idle okay, we had to screw this all the way in so that my throttle would stay a little bit open. Not even a, oh yeah, you can actually kind of see it, but.
So they just got their belts on, finishing up some tightening. Then we throw it in his truck and we go back to his car.
Yup. Flywheel time. So basically just line up your bolt holes. I don't know what this is for, so. Line up.
Ooh, like a glove.
One more bolts to put on down here, right?
Last couple bolts for the tranny.
I don't know.
I didn't realize you were missing so many bolts.
Oh yeah. This by the 2 sketchy bolts with the transmission on it. Yeah.
I'll go grab the tranny after this. Engine going back in the truck. And we are on the road again. We didn't strap his motor down in the back of his truck, so I'm just gonna follow him in mine and hope everything goes well. There's Nicholas. Made it to Nick's place. There's his 240. Just threw on his East Wind sticker on his wing and we're matching. Well, sort of matching. I just got side skirts. I didn't show you that yet, but I gotta get bumpers still and a roof wing. Then we will be matching. Aside from the wheels, of course. But hey, these are bad too, man. Alright, so before we can get that block back in, he wants to change out his power steering line. One of these. So while I work on that, he's gonna work on his slave.
Yup.
Alright, family, halfway there. It's dangling in there, but snagged on something. We're trying to figure that out. Nicholas is jacking up the back end of the transmission, tilting the engine. Mission impossible accomplished. Mission impossible turned possible. Boo. We did it.
Hey, we did it.
Alright family, that was it for this week's vlog. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for checking us out again. We're hoping to get more car cruise content for you guys. I'm kind of stuck in house because of all of this bullshit going on with my car, but one day I'll be there. If anything, I'll hop in with one of the boys at some point.
Alright, so this year, SpokeCom August is going to be our 2nd year anniversary for the team, and 4 of us is going to be trying to get into SpokeCom, I believe. Me, Josh, I think Logan, and Nui. I'm getting my bags by the end of the month, getting my fender flare. I'm ordering my flares Tuesday. Josh has his bags already, and he's ready to start installing. He's pretty much, besides Logan, probably the closest one show ready. That's an update. And then stay tuned on the vlog, find out how we're gonna do the giveaway. We're still thinking about it, contest or something. We'll see. But remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Keep growing, we give more giveaways. You guys get more basic stuff. You know how it is. Catch you on next time. Shoot!
Just